MetaTrader 5 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MT5. You cannot use it on MT4. This will work well on derived platform. As a matter of fact, I'm using it on derived platform. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Outside there, we have a lot of best forex brokers that you can pick from, and in my video description I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Before you go on with live account or you fund your account with your hard earned money, make sure you open demo account with any of these regulated forex brokers and practice this particular strategies on MT5. When you are consistent and you've mastered your fears, then you can go ahead to fund your live account, but make sure you practice on regulated demo forex account before you go live. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification button. Do give me a thumb up if you really like this particular video. I will appreciate it if you use my derived links to open an account with these regulated forex brokers in case you do not have an account with them before, for sharing this winning strategy with you. On my chart, I have a few indicators that I've combined together to come up with this winning strategy on MetaTrader 5. Number one indicator I have here is this candle strength indicator, and I have the support and the resistance zone indicator. I have the PTL indicator, the yellow arrow that do not repaint. I have this indicator too. Then the white arrow indicator that do recalculate. This is like zigzag indicators. Now, how do I use all these indicators combined together? Number one thing you have to look out for is this white arrow. I always look for this white arrow, and it must be coming from either resistance zone or support zone, followed by PTL indicator that does not repaint when candle close, and the yellow indicator does not repaint after candle close, and this indicator does not repaint after the candle close. So allow the candle to close before you place your trade. And there, this is MACD indicator 2, where the MACD line did cross. This is where we have it on my chart here. So let us analyze all the indicators together right now. As I said, the white arrow must be present, then it must be coming from this support or resistance zone. We have the two indicators in agreement at this particular point, which is a PTL and a yellow arrow, followed by this indicator that do not repaint also. You might use MACD or you may not use it. This is just additional confirmation. Most of the time I do not use it, but once I see it, I know that the market may still go a bit either up or down, depends on the trend. Now, when you see all these indicators in agreement, the next thing for you to do is to place your trade, which I did. And I have this market running right now and giving me a good run and targeting the support zone here. But if you not get there, I may get out of the trade. And why I may get out is because of this zigzag indicator zone that the market is getting weak, and there's tendency that it might turn at this particular zone if it cannot break it. So this is how I use this particular strategy, and for this it did deliver. Let me see what we have running here. So we have I enter like 4 trades and all running in profit. All running in profit. So for a sell signal, it's still the same. This is sell signal rather, and for a buy signal, let's check it out where we have it. And at this particular point, we have this zigzag indicator here, the white arrow, the PTL indicator, the yellow arrow, this all in agreement for a buy. And since then, the only trade you are going to keep on taking is buy setup. Buy setup. And you find out that all the buy did deliver, though we have small pullback, but it did delivered until we get to this particular point for another sell. So this is a good strategy, and if you want to be extra careful, then I will advise you to check a 5-minute time frame and come back to 1-minute time frame to scalp in the direction of 5 minutes. Check 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes, and we have a sell signal at this particular point. It's sell signal that we have here. Then you can go back to 1 minute. So the only trade you'll be taking on 1 minute time frame is a downward trend, is sell. So this is how I use this particular strategies. You can use it on any pair, but I did my analysis on this step indices. You can use it on volatility 10, you can use it on volatility 75, you can use this on gold, you can use it on any metal, you can use it on the indices, as many as you have on your MetaTrader 5. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you do that and practice on demo account before you go live. Do not risk your money going live when you have not tried any strategy on demo account, which the demo account must be from a regulated forex brokers before you go live. Do not jump into any live trading without testing it on demo account, and make sure you practice and practice well. It is important that you do that so that you not waste your money, and do not trade on demo account with money you cannot afford to use on your live account. Make sure you practice on your demo account the same way you will trade on your live account. This is the only way you can trade profitably. A lot of people trade anyhow on their demo account and thinking they are consistent without following any strategy, any laid down rules. They just trade the way they want. If you do that on your live account, you are going to lose and blow your account. Please make sure you follow money management. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do that now, and do not forget to turn up to give me a thumb up. All the indicators I use for this particular strategy are in the video description. Make sure you copy all the indicators into indicators folder and enter and put my template under the template folder on MetaTrader 5. Then you can come back and select it. I hope you know how to do that. If not, in one of my videos on this channel, I did explain how to copy indicators and template into either MT4 or MT5. You can check the video on my channel and follow me closely on how I do that. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.